Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday and let's get right into the charts as there are some very important things that we need to cover. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course, you can see we have lost a very important support. This 200 EMA right here on the 4-hourly has been keeping this trend steadily going up, as you can see right here, and ever since back in the beginning of April, we have crossed below the 200 EMA. Now what comes next, you may ask? You can see next up right here is our monthly open level. This is the level that we want to see Bitcoin hold above, or we don't want to see Bitcoin lose this level right here below $75,000. This week could be a potential liquidity grab, so price may go below this level a bit to grab the liquidity, and then I am expecting for us to actually start a reversal to the upside to potentially take out the remaining liquidity that we have left above. I still don't believe this right here 82,000 to be the top, even though it does look like a very nice distribution phase for Bitcoin, where we had this distribution right here and then the market makers sent the price lower. So I do believe it is also a possibility, since on the hard time frame this was the 200 daily EMA right here, which never got tested before, those couple of times right here. So you can see this time it actually got tested 3 times in a row, and right now we are falling down. We are currently sitting at the other 150 EMA right here, acting as support on the daily time frame. Also the monthly pivot is sitting around 74,000, basically the lows of 74,000, 73.8k to be exact. This is also a very key level that price might touch in the coming next days. But as you can see right here, the daily candles are basically right now 4 daily red candles in a row. So we could get some relief basically coming into this week. Maybe go back to like $80,000 to try and grab those late short positions, excuse me. Same thing for ETH right now. You can see ETH is back below the value area high of the range. We are approaching that POC, which is where I do expect for price to actually hold. You can see it is also around the weekly S1. So basically 2065 is a level that I'm watching very closely. Solana right here is almost back at the monthly open, and the value area low we got just like, if you measure it, 3.2% of a move if we want to get back down there. So this is crazy how volatile Solana is compared to Bitcoin and ETH. Basically Ethereum and Bitcoin are holding the best, and the one that's holding the best is Bitcoin, of course. You can see Bitcoin has not dropped below its value area high, and this is, as I said, the level that we don't wanna lose. We might get a dip down into this level, as I said, before we actually reverse higher, which is completely normal. If everybody gets bearish down here, of course I am expecting us to go back up and trap all those late shorts that would enter right here if we get down here. The dollar right now is pretty high. You can see we are rejecting. We also did not fill the gap completely. We just have like a couple of points more if we want to fill this gap, like 0.3% until we fill this gap for the dollar. And then, in my opinion, once this gap gets filled, the dollar could start reversing somewhere around here. This, of course, if we don't actually break out of this historical resistance right here. You can see multiple times, but I believe the dollar will be playing out in this range for a bit longer. So right now, Bitcoin, you can see open interest. While price is going down, open interest is going up. So this means that there are fresh shorts opening up right here, while Bitcoin is trying to squeeze them. You can see this time is different, since also the delta, the CVD is also going down. We are trying to reclaim that VWAP. So if we start trading above VWAP, we could still see some price action higher. On the liquidation side of things, heat map right here, you can see this was back in Friday. We took out this liquidity, and then this night we took out the liquidity even lower. So the first major drop was to 77,650 and the second major drop was to 76,650. So pretty by the book liquidity sweep. You can see we have taken most of it out. So I do believe that it is possible for price to get somewhat of a reversal this week. It is very possible. You can see it right here. It could hit this level and also start reversing. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 38 right now. Basically, we have seen the Fear and Greed Index drop back into the fear zone. It was in neutral. You can see the past week, month, it was sitting in the neutral, and right now finally it is doing something. We are back in the fear zone. Also, I wanted to cover the stock market. You can see the stock market also potentially starting to look kind of topped out. Right here, the S&P 500 starting to show some weakness, as I have told you on during the weekend with this daily candle close. You can see right here, basically this daily candle close has been historically accurate. When the stock market closes such a daily candle, we have seen some more correction to come. Spot ETFs, nothing new here basically. It is still Monday, no data yet. Long versus shorts ratio, we still have more buyers, so there could be another liquidity sweep, of course, but we might take out, as I said, the shorts that are late to the game first. And for this week, for today, we don't have any news. Tomorrow also, we don't have any important news, just like FOMC meeting. But this is just a normal meeting, not for the rates. And we have on Thursday PMI, and on Friday we have inflation data, which is going to be the two most important days of this week. Basically, Thursday and Friday are going to be the important days to watch for. And I do believe this would cover it for today, guys. Have a nice rest of your week, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.